So this is how you can make a digital marketing portfolio. Of course, in any kind of job, you would need a portfolio. If you want to make one for digital marketing, it's really easy. So what we're gonna need is our good old friend Canva, and it's actually made it really easy for us. So as you can see, there's this search bar called search templates. What you're gonna want to do is search for portfolio. There you go, portfolio, and tap on search. It's going to give us a few templates of portfolios that we can use. So just tap on that search thing over there. And as you can see, it has already loaded a few, examples or designs for us to be able to use. Now, of course, if you have Canva Pro, you can use the better ones with the Pro on them. But if you don't have Canva Pro, then of course you can just use the free ones. So just choose which one you want. I'm gonna choose this one, so it's cleaner. Let's tap on the three dots and tap on preview this template. So here, as you can see, we can scroll through all of the pages once it loads. So let's go on and tap on customize this template. And so here we are. As you can see, it's a personal portfolio. And if you want to change anything, we can actually. So I'm going to tap on personal and I'm going to replace it into digital marketing. Now, of course, it looks a bit weird, but we can fix that by simply dragging this. And there you go. It is now our digital marketing portfolio. Next up, of course, this is your table of contents, but what you're really going to want to edit is the next slides. So who I am, of course, it won't matter if you copy this one or copy what I'm going to write. Of course, it's going to be about you and your goals, your aspirations, and your accomplishments and what you can do for the company. So, of course, you're just going to want to fill all of these out. As you can see, you have your skill snapshot, your process, what you do, your project, and way more.